How to connect Instagram to Discord. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ways to connect Instagram to Discord. If you want to go ahead and connect Instagram to Discord, then you need to follow the simple steps. So what you have to do is open up a browser, type in discord.com/channel and log into your account. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look like this. Now on this page, what you want to do is go ahead and select the server, and next thing you want to do is go to user settings at the bottom. Then when you go to user settings, it's gonna show up something like this. Here you want to go to connections from the left hand side bar. After that, you could find a list of options in the next field, so click the arrow icon in order to view more. So if you can find Instagram, go ahead and select that. In my case, the particular feature isn't available and my reasons, so I cannot find out Instagram. So what you have to do is just go ahead and press that, and next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and connect or enter in your credential of the particular account and click on login. This way you'll be able to connect your Instagram to Discord. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.